Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to send a message with special effects and animations on any iPhone. Now, if you want to send a message with special effects on your iPhone, just open the Messages app on your iPhone, then open a contact. Now from here, just type a message. For an example, I have typed happy birthday. Now after you type your text message, or you can select an emoji, then tap and hold on the send button. After you tap and hold on the send button, these options will appear. Now first of all, you will have the option of bubbles and screens. Let's discuss the bubble option first. Under the bubble option, you will find these animations. You have the option of slam, loud, gentle, and invisible ink. Just select the animation which you like. For an example, I will select loud. Now after you select loud, just tap on the send button on the animation which you have selected. And once you do that, the message will be sent with an animation. Now after the bubble option, you have the option of screens. Now under screens, you will find a few animation styles according to the text which you have selected. Now as you can see, this is the first animation. And if you swipe to the left, you will find the second animation. And just like that, just swipe to the left and you will see more animations. Just like that. Now after you select the animation which you like, just tap on the send button and you will send the message with an animation. And this is how you can send a message with special effects and animations on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.